Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about the factor affecting demand. What are the factor affecting the demand? In a previous video, we will already discuss about the demand, the type of demand. There are two types of demand: individual demand and market demand. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the factor affecting demand. So let's start. Factor affecting demand. So what are the factors which are affect the demand? So first factor is what? First factor is price of commodity. Commodity is what? Commodity means goods and services, already discussed in previous video. So first thing is what? First thing is price of commodity. So what are the factor of price on demand? So price factor is what? If price increase, the price of particular goods increase, then demand will decrease. Okay? If the price of the particular commodity increase, then the demand of that particular commodity will decrease. And price of that particular commodity is decrease, so demand is what? Demand will increase. Okay, so this is the factor which are affect the demand. If the price will increase, then demand will decrease, and the price will decrease, then demand will increase. Okay, so this is the first factor of affecting the demand. Now come to the second factor, price of related goods or commodities. Okay, so what are the factors if the price changes in other commodities? Suppose there are two commodity X and Y. If the demand of X, how is effect from demand of Y? Suppose the price of Y commodity is decreased, price of Y commodity is decreased, then the people will buy more of Y commodity instead of X commodities. Suppose X is 2 rupees commodities, and here Y is also the 2 rupees. Okay, the values of Y is also the 2 rupees. Now if the price of Y decrease from 2 to 1 rupees, so what the consumer will do? Consumer will purchase more of Y commodity instead of purchasing the X commodity, because both goods are related to each other, means both are the substitute goods. Okay, just like tea and coffee. Okay, tea and coffee, both are what? Both are substitute goods. Now this is the factor of price of related goods. Now come to the third one. Third factor is income of consumer. This is also one of the most important factors where the demand will affect. Suppose the income of the consumer will increase. So what the consumer will do? Consumer will buy, will demand of that particular goods also will increase. If the income will increase, demand will also the increase. Now if the income decrease, so what will you do, rational consumer? The demand of that particular will also the decrease. So what is the relationship between income and demand? So relationship between income and demand is a direct relationship. So income is directly proportional to the demand. Okay, now here we can see that price is inversely proportional to the demand, means price increase then demand decrease, price decrease then demand increase. Inverse relationship between price and demand. Now here you can see that income and demand, there is a direct relationship between income and demand. Income will increase, demand will also the increases. Okay, so this thing happen only for the normal goods, for only normal goods. Okay, what is the meaning of normal goods? Normal goods are those goods where the law of demand will follow. We'll discuss in the next videos what is the meaning of law of demand. Here you just see there are two types of goods. First one is normal goods. Normal goods. Second one is inferior goods. Inferior goods. Okay. So normal goods where the law of demand will follow means they are normally behaving normally. What is the meaning of inferior goods? Inferior goods are generally low quality of goods and services. Okay. So just remember, inferior means the product quality of the product should not be up to the standards. Okay. Or you can say that the quality not up to the mark. Okay. So this is the inferior goods or normal goods. So this thing is only apply for the normal goods. Okay. Now what is the relationship for inferior goods? For inferior goods, so for inferior goods, income is inversely proportional to demand. Okay. Income is inversely proportional to demand, means income will increase, demand will decrease. Suppose suppose a person is earning 10,000 rupees, so their demand is they purchase the inferior goods. If their income increase from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees, so they he will buy the goods, inferior goods? No, he will buy the normal goods, means he buy the standard quality of the goods. Okay. So he leave the goods and services which are related to the inferiors. Okay. So here the income of income increase, then demand will decrease only for the inferior goods. But for the normal goods, there is a direct relationship between income and the demand. Now come to the fourth one is taste and preference of consumer. Taste and preference also affect the demand. How? If their taste and preference is favorable for that particular goods, they will buy more of that particular goods. If the taste and preference is unfavorable of the consumer unfavorable for the goods, then he will buy less of the goods. Okay. So if taste is preferable or favorable, then he will buy or purchase more goods. If the taste and preference is unfavorable, then what? Then he will buy less goods. Okay. So taste and preference also affect the demand. Now come to the next one, population. Populations also affect the demand. How? If there is more populations, so more demand, and the less population, if the country has more population, then the product demand of that particular goods will also be more. If the country has the less populations, then the demand will also the less. Okay. So population will also affect the demand. The more population, more demand; less population, less demand. Okay. So these are the factors which affect the demand. Here 2-3 factors are very important. First is price of the commodity, second is price of related commodity, third one is income of the consumer. They are the 3 most important factors that affect the demand. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept of how the factor affect the demand. So thank you so much.